Welcome, Brawl Stars fans. Are you ready to take your gameplay to the next level?
The countdown starts, it's time to fight. The battlefield's glowing, it's my night. I've got my crew, we're locked and set. Victory's calling, it's a sure bet.
In this video, we share 5 must-know tips and tricks to dominate the battlefield, no matter which mode you play. Let's dive in. Tip number 1. Always pick the right brawler for the game mode. For gem grab, go for support brawlers like Pam or Poco to help control the center. If you're playing Showdown, choose Bull or Shelly for their close-range power. And in Brawl Ball, tanks like Frank or Rosa are key to breaking defenses and scoring goals. Matching your brawler to the mode gives you a winning edge. Tip number 2. Map awareness is your secret weapon. Use bushes for cover and sneak attacks, especially in Showdown or Heist. Pay attention to choke points and high-traffic areas where enemies are likely to gather. Knowing the map layout helps you predict enemy movements and take control of the battlefield. Tip number 3. Supers and gadgets can change the game if used wisely. Don't rush to use them as soon as they're ready. Instead, save them for crucial moments. For example, use Jessie's turret to defend a critical spot, or Rosa's shield to survive a tough fight. A well-timed super can be the difference between victory and defeat. Tip number 4. In Showdown, power cubes are essential, but don't grab them recklessly. Let other players battle it out, then swoop in to collect the cubes safely. Use ranged brawlers like Colt or Bee to pressure opponents near cubes and secure them without taking unnecessary risks. Tip number 5. Every match is a chance to learn and adapt. Watch your replays to spot mistakes and see what worked. Experiment with different brawlers and strategies based on the mode and your opponents. The best players are the ones who can adjust their tactics on the fly. And there you have it, 5 essential tips to dominate Brawl Stars. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, these tricks will give you the upper hand in any match. Now, it's time to jump in, brawl hard, and claim your victories. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your squad. Let us know your favorite tip in the comments below. See you in the arena.
My aim